This holiday season, you're invited to meet the newest member of the Little family.
Attention, everybody.
This is Stuart. Hello, everyone.
Are you all nuts? He's a mouse.
They introduced him into their world.
Well, it's just about everybody, except for...
Snowbell! Drop him right now!
Spit him right out. We do not eat family members.
They welcomed him into their lives.
Can you pass the gravy?
He's not big enough to pass gas.
And they made him a part of the family.
A mouse with a pet cat.
I am not your pet. I can rub your tummy.
How'd you like to rub it from the inside?
Oh, dear.
But sometimes finding a home
Stuart!
is easier
I'm okay, Mom.
than feeling at home.
Something's missing. I feel an empty space inside me, and I just want to know what was there before.
Down here. We're looking for Stuart. Where are his parents?
Stuart can't leave with you. He's...
One of the family.
There's something you'll never be able to give him. Because you're human. No offense.
Columbia Pictures presents a story for anyone who's ever had trouble fitting in.
I'm not really sure I want a brother.
Well, how about a friend?
I guess I could always use a friend.
Finding their way
Stuart Little gets scratched tonight. You must be Stuart.
No, but I'll get him for you.
and standing tall.
Remember me? I'm Stuart Little! I'm Stuart Little!
From the co-director of The Lion King.
Go, Stuart!
On December 17th, big things come in small packages.
It's the happiest moment of my life. I feel 10 inches tall. I think I'm gonna cough up a fur ball.
Stuart Little.
I know that you and I got off in the wrong pot. What do you say? Want to be friends?
Talk to the butt.